What's up, fans of Wonders of London? This is Vincent. Hope you're all well and having a good day. And today I have a question for you guys. Have you seen the lake at Regent's Park? It's a very, very beautiful lake, as you will see in a few moments. But one thing I do love about the Regent's Park is it's such a green place, such a peaceful place, a great place to come relax, meditate, do Tai Chi or yoga, or even read a book or something like that. And it is simply beautiful and phenomenal, as you can see, with all of the trees. And of course, another thing that you can do at the Regent's Park is actually go boating. You can go paddle boating on the lake in the Regent's Park, and you can actually see the lake where you can go paddle boating in a few moments. It is a simply majestic and phenomenal lake, as you can just see from here. How amazing would it be to paddle boat on this lake? And in fact, many years ago, it used to get much colder. Hundreds of years ago in London, it used to get much colder than it does today. And this lake would freeze over. And when that happened, the residents of the area would come here for ice skating. You don't get that much anymore, but it would have been a very interesting experience in the 1800s. In any case, I do hope you've enjoyed this little video, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.